If you have fussy natural hair but you want a sleek low bun that actually looks neat and elegant, let me show you how to do this one, which will look cute, polished within 10 minutes. The main thing we are going to be using today is going to be water. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can just put some water in a bowl and you get started. I just took down my previous hairstyle, which was boho French curl braids, so my hair is a little bit dirty, and since as I wanted to achieve a sleek hairstyle, I didn't want to wash my hair before doing this and wash it again after taking down the hairstyle, which is just going to last for 2 days. It doesn't make sense. It is very important, if you don't want to give your natural hair a blowout or straightening, to saturate it with enough water like you saw me doing earlier in the video before heading on to the parting. I'm going for a side part and I decided to give it a little bit of some parting because I wanted it to look that way. You can make your own parting short depending on the frame of your face, how it will best suit your face. Then I'm going to section out this part to the front because I want it to not lay extremely flat, for it to be flattering to my face. That's why I decided to go in for the side part as well, and I'm going to put this section away before slicking the rest to the back. So I'm using my tangle teaser brush for the detangling, and it's very important to detangle thoroughly to avoid bumps. You want it to look as flat and sleek as possible, so you have to detangle it thoroughly. The magic to making sure that your hair really stays sleek, especially the fussy hair, is by using lots of water, as you see me doing the video. After every brush, I spray a little bit of water before trying to brush it down. Whenever I notice that there is some kind of bump or it's not going to lay down, I spray water again, and I repeat it several times while trying to mold the hair with my palms to make sure that it is quite smooth. Then I go in with my Eco Styler gel and I'm applying just a very little amount, not a lot, because water does the trick. You just have to apply just a little amount, and you go in with a hard bristle brush. That is what is going to help you to make sure that it lays as flat as possible, and you give it a thorough brush while trying to mold it using your hands to the back. This is a process where you don't have to rush it. You have to feel every part around your hair, making sure that it's quite smooth. Before going in with a rubber band of your choice, I would highly recommend that you go in for something silky, not something that is going to tuck and break your hair. And for that extra boost sleekness and shine, I'm using a little bit of the red one wax. Make sure you apply just a very little piece of it. You don't want it to look white, and I'm just going all around my hair where I feel it is necessary. Then I use the softer side of the bristle brush to swoop it in and make sure that it lays really pretty good, and make sure that the product is quite distributed so it doesn't look white, and the shine can actually be seen after it's done. Then I have to redo tying it again because it was already looking loose after all that combing and brushing. I have to redo the binding of my hair again. If you love the tutorial so far, give me a thumbs up, and if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification button as well, for you don't want to miss out on my upcoming videos.
the city under broken lights. No plans ahead, just time to waste. Every little promise fading in the haze. Running through the quiet, trying not to fall. Every step reminded we don't know it all. Blow up a sign, let it go when the ground is shaking underneath us. Lose the fight, feel it slow. All I want is someone to lean on. Hands collide, hearts exposed when the world is pulling us apart now. Through the noise, through it all I want is someone to lean on. When the days change and the nights grow cold, will we trace the same old feelings or let them fold? If the lights fade, if the road bends wrong, would you stay here in the silence till the fear is gone? Every second heavy, like it's hard to breathe. All these unanswered moments hanging over me. Blow a sign, let it go when the ground is shaking underneath us. Lose the fight, feel it slow. All I want is someone to lean on. Hands collide, hearts exposed when the world is pulling us apart now. Through the noise, through it all I want is someone to lean on. Someone to lean on. Someone to lean on. Someone to lean on.
So after slicking and laying down my edges, I went in with a scarf to make sure that I lay it down for it to really lay as sleek and polished as possible. So you can use any headscarf of your choice, but just try to avoid any cotton material. Then I let it to set in for 5 minutes, and here I am unraveling it. You have to make sure you take your time so it doesn't get rough or give any kind of flyaways. And voila, here is the final results. If you love it, give me a thumbs up. Low slick low bun is one of those hairstyles that gives it this very effortless look. In 10 minutes you achieve a hairstyle that makes you look very elegant. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below your thoughts about this particular hairstyle. If you're going to try it, it's such a nice hairstyle when you are in a hurry and you don't know what to do with your hair, especially if it's already dirty. Thank you all so much for watching.